Hello techies. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to work with get subtext test action. In this tutorial, we will learn how to work with pad text test action. First of all, we'll see what is the purpose of this pad text. I will start with the simple example over here. If you see, I'm having a name Shivaji Rao. This is the text. I want to add the characters to the left or to the right of this text. Let's assume I want to add a text or adding extra characters to the left or to the right. So I want to add Gaikwad over here onto the right, or else I want to add Gaikwad the additional characters onto the left. How can I go ahead and do that? That is, by using pad text, we can add the characters to the left or to the right of an existing text. And also by using pad text, we can fix the length of this text. If you see over here, the length of the Shivaji Rao is 11 characters. And if I'm going to add Gaikwad, the entire text length is 19 characters. That we have seen by using full name dot length property that we have seen, so that we got the length of the text is 19 characters. So if I want to fix the length of these characters, then I will use pad text. Where exactly in real-time scenario we'll use this fixed length of the pad text? Let's assume in our engineering that we're having some roll number, right? So the roll number will start in such a way we are having some fixed length of characters. Let's assume I'm going to give one more example like 03, Z11, A0, 501. In that case, what will happen? The entire length we are having 10 characters over there, and you can't exceed more than that. That's the reason we're going to give this fixed length over here. All right, now I will show you how to do that by using pad text to add the characters to the right or to the left of the text. I'm going to take set variable as name. I'm going to change it over here. And then I'm going to give the name over here as Shivaji Rao. And then I'm going to click on save. Now the purpose over here is that I want to add Gaikwad to the left or to the right by using pad text. Let me drag and drop this pad text onto the workspace. If you see the parameters over here, text to pad. What is the text we want to pad? Now that is nothing but the original text. Over here, I'm having original text is the name. Let me select that. I'm going to select the name. Now, if you see, we are having the pad, nothing but we are having two options over here. One is left, another one is the right. Okay, first of all, we'll see the left over here, and then text for padding. What are the additional characters that you need to add? I'm going to give Gaikwad. Now, total length. What is the purpose of this total length? I'm having some length for the name, and after that I'm having some length for the text for padding. If I'm going to include, the length of the both will be the 10. All right, now I'm going to give, as I know the length of this Shivaji Rao Gaikwad is 19, so that I'm going to fix it as 20 right now. Let me click on save. Now to display the output, I'm going to drag and drop display message onto the workspace. Message box title, I will give it as pad text. And then message to display, the output has been stored in the flow variable that is with the name of padded text. I will select the same message to display over here. And then click on save. All right, let's run the flow. Flow execution started, and you can see the output over here. We are having name as Shivaji Rao. By using pad text, on the left of the text, we have added Gaikwad. And you can see the entire text length is 20. All right, let's click on OK. Now what I will do, I will minimize the length over here. Now from 20 to 10, I'm going to reduce it. So what will happen, from Gaikwad plus the name, that is Gaikwad Shivaji Rao, and the total length is 20, but it will reduce to 10. Let me show you how it will happen. Let me click on save. Let's run the flow once again. Now, if you see over here, what happened, the name has been trimmed over here and it is giving only the length of 10 characters only. Now, let me click on OK. Now, what I will do, I will pad this text to the right. I will change the direction, the pad to the right. Now, I'm going to make the changes. The total length is 20, and then I'm going to click on Save. Now, let's run the flow. Flow execution started, and you can see the output Shivaji Rao Gaikwad. If I'm going to put it at the left, it will come as Gaikwad Shivaji Rao. If I'm going to put it as right, then what will happen? Shivaji Rao Gaikwad is an output. All right. Now, let me click on OK. Now, what I will do, I will increase the length. Previously, we have reduced the length, right? Now, I'm going to increase the length by 5. That is, I'm going to make it 25 and run the flow. So then what will happen? Shivaji Rao Gaikwad and extra characters will get it as an output. Let's see that. Now, if you see Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, and then you can see over here the Gaikwad extra characters, additional characters has been came. So whenever you are going to give total length over there, this entire text will be fixed to that length. So in that case, what will happen? It will add the characters to this one. All right. I hope you understand how to work with pad text as part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.